Supernormal AI Avatar Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get AI avatars wrong. They think it's just a fun gimmick for profile pictures. Supernormal AI Avatar is different. The surprising truth is how professional and versatile these AI-generated avatars can be for presentations, marketing, and online branding, and you won't believe how fast the platform creates them. Here's how it works. Supernormal lets you generate realistic AI avatars by uploading a few photos or using built-in templates. You can customize expressions, outfits, and even poses. The system uses AI to ensure the avatars look natural and consistent across multiple images or videos, making it perfect for business use. For example, a content creator can generate a professional avatar for YouTube intros, Zoom presentations, or social media posts without needing a full photo shoot. Most people get this wrong. They assume avatars are low quality or cartoonish, but Supernormal delivers polished, lifelike results. Additional features include background customization, export in multiple formats, and integration with video or presentation software. This makes it easy to include avatars in marketing campaigns, corporate training, or virtual events. However, there are considerations. While avatars are impressive, fine-tuning takes time to match branding exactly. Some advanced customization requires a subscription. Most people assume every feature is free. It's not, so plan accordingly. In conclusion, Supernormal AI Avatar is ideal for professionals and content creators who want high-quality, customizable avatars quickly. Its combination of realism, speed, and versatility makes it a standout tool for modern digital branding. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of AI and productivity tools.